What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break and Now. We are watching the Leafs game and doing this random team break. We're doing it in 10 minutes. And here's our teams. Sorry, I'm watching the Leafs game and doing this. Good luck. It is 11:18. Here's your list of names. Fast Eddie, down to Clay, Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck, folks. Start with the teams. 1, 2, 3. Time set. Yes, sir! Timestamp on 3 is 11:18. 11:18 and last and final. That was deadly. Fourth and final. Says 11:18 and just turned 11:19. So let's copy these over. Chicago to the Rangers. And Winnipeg to Arizona. There is your teams. Now let's do the names. 11:19, still Fast Eddie down to Clay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp on 3 says 11:19. 11:19. Last and final is going to do it here. John. Oh, let's get the timestamp first. Fourth and final timestamp says 11:19 and 11:19. We got John Tucker to Nick and Kyle to Paula. Here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in 10 minutes for the break, guys. Good luck. Go Leafs, go.